Hi guys, and welcome to another replay. This time, Cleveland. Yep, it's time for more Cleveland fun in the Cleveland. I know. But anyways, here, what can I say before the action gets started?
On the horizon.
I think in my previous video I mentioned something about me getting this Cleveland again, since I have unlocked the tier 7, mainly for the missions a while back. Back. So I was trying to set fires, which is also why I'll be spamming nothing but HE, which is somewhat normal, I suppose, in the Cleveland. Although you might be firing armor piercing at other cruisers, but I will be firing HE and nothing but HE because I'm trying to get those delicious fires. But it's a wonderful ship. It has 4 turrets. They are quick firing. The reload is something like 7 seconds. So yeah, it is pretty quick. I think like 34 knots. It's not as nimble, I would say, as the Omaha and the Phoenix before, but but anyways, first target. Farragut destroyer. Did a lot of damage, but well, I'll take a shot at him again. Yeah, another hit for 700. He's behind the island now. What else? Battleship incoming, a cruiser down there. No, he disappeared. He popped smoke. And it's probably understandable. 2 cruisers are shooting at him. So that's not healthy. Well, yeah. A little bit optimistic there. Somewhere. And since ammo is cheap, might as well see if we can get lucky. No. Oh well. So, let's see if we can find someone else to shoot at. So far no one has died. It's an even game. That is always nice. Not losing. Sometimes my team decides to start losing right off the bat. That gets kind of frustrating quickly. Not this time. There are 2 carriers on the enemy team, same as on ours, but no one seems to be coming over here. There's a cruiser up there somewhere, but he's hidden in that smoke screen. And our destroyer is popping smoke as well. And launching a couple of torpedoes. They're the planes I talked about. I'm not sure what he's trying to do here. 2 cruisers. Yeah, that's going to be painful for him. Oops. And so by the way, if my voice is a little bit off, it's because I'm a bit sick. Got a bit of flu or something going on, but it's no big deal. Ooh, set him on fire. Planes actually hit me, but yeah, they were all shot down. I shot down 2 of them. And yeah, did 2,000 damage to the cruiser, who is losing health rather quickly. Not sure why. Didn't see anyone shooting at him, but well, took more hits. Time to get lucky here. Just a little bit short, and he died. Okay, so there are battleships on the other side. That's not so good. Guys hiding behind the island. Can we shoot over it? Yeah. Well, I think 2 shots went over. But didn't hit him. I was also somewhat optimistic. Our destroyer has been spotted by, I'm guessing, the Farragut from before. cruiser there also died. Oh well, let's see. Can we hit that destroyer? So, seems to be turning. Or slowing. Or maybe yeah. Ooh, yeah, hit him. Set him on fire, but did not really do much damage. Oh well. Let's see. Or something. And he repaired something, but lost some steering. I don't know. Ooh, bomb. Yeah. Nice torpedoes from that guy, but he's going to have torpedo troubles of his own. I was trying to, yeah, took on each other with the torpedoes. Well, that's good. Well, I suppose. The battleship there sticking his nose out, but yeah, there are 3 battleships up here. 2,000. That wasn't bad. If only we could set him on fire. Found some fires. Done a couple of hits, but nothing major. Cosmetic damage. And finally set him on fire. Did 2,000 damage more. So that's good. I think he's going to come out to play now. So over here on this front, 2 battleships and myself against 3 battleships. So yeah, not that optimistic. But as long as they don't shoot at me, I'm okay. And the fuser up there, changing to him since he's on lower health to try to take out some guns. Still an even game, 3-3 in losses, but we lost 1 battleship up here, so it's now 3 battleships against my friend in the battleship and myself. So yeah, not really the best you could hope for. Yeah, I just missed. Come on, need to set this guy on fire. Luckily, that battleship there on my team is pretty good. We'll see the results later on. My nose can't breathe. If I stop talking, it's because I died. Don't call an ambulance. Oh well. Set him on fire, I think. But would look nicer if he was on fire in more places, like that. So, adjusting the aim, see if we can hit him in front of the ship, maybe. Front end. Give me more fires, please. Not sure why I'm pushing this hard. I mean, they could turn their guns on me at any given time, and that would be bad for my health. Clevelands don't like being shot at by battleships. Speaking about being shot at, that island took 1 for the team. Well, the enemy team, that is. And he died because of the fire. That's nice. So I got my first kill. So far, not a spectacular game, but so I'm staying here behind the island because again there are 2 battleships up there, and well, being shot at by 2 of them, not the best. So by staying here, only this guy will be able to shoot at me, but these guns are pointed at the guy in the friendly battleship. And that was a good hit. Oh, shot down a plane. Or it looked like that. 1,000 damage, good. He is on fire, but that wasn't me. But he used his repair. So let's see. Nope, no fire, but still okay damage. Need to keep that going. Come on, set him on fire. Yeah, thank you. But not sure why he doesn't appear to be on fire. Well, we'll try again. And yeah. Torpedo planes incoming, but they're not going for me, even though I'm sitting still in the water. I would be a somewhat easy target for them, but they're going for the battleship, which I guess is okay. I mean, it's a battleship. Normally he would be a lot easier to hit. So yeah, but there are some fighters over there. I think they're protecting that battleship, so that's good. Anyways, this guy is now on fire in at least 2 places. And he's on very low health. And yeah, I didn't get the kill, but well, I did do a good amount of damage to him. Speaking of damage, I've only lost about 2,000 hit points. So that's good. It's always nice when they don't shoot at you, but your teammates. But anyways, from being up against 3 battleships, there is only one left. That's not so bad. And we are also winning. We have killed half the enemy team, and they have still only killed 3 of ours. Ahead on points, well, for that fact. Ooh, set him on fire behind the island. Poor Congo. So let's keep the fire going here. I think he prepared. So setting him on fire now would be nice. He was under attack from some planes. Yeah. I can see his guns turning, so he knows I'm here, and I'm kind of sort of broadside on, which is not the best idea, but he's on very low health. So I thought, well, might as well just keep going. He's going to get off like one salvo and then he should basically die. But yeah, turning a little bit away from him here. And he took out one of my gun turrets. Yeah, I hate when that happens. Oh yeah, and he's going in reverse, because you know, sailing in reverse is a lot faster than moving forward. He's repairing, but he's on fire, and yeah. But he got off a salvo, I think. Maybe not. Or at least he didn't hit. But anyways, the remaining part of the enemy team. And there's the carrier. Why not shoot at him? You can do more damage to him, although he's not really a threat, based on how he's moving around here. He's probably out of planes. He's kind of screwed, either way. And he's under fire. Ooh, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Good hits. He's on fire as well. Set 14 fires. Another couple of thousand here. So, that almost killed him. Put out the fires. Ooh, someone just got the kill before. If I had been a little quicker, I would have gotten a kill. Anyways, there's Nuremberg. Who should be on a one-shot kill. One salvo kill. Did some damage before going down. Anyways, that was kill number 3. And there's the enemy Cleveland. 5,000. With HE. All 10 shells hit. Well, he is very close. Another 3,000. I know I should be firing armor piercing, but again, remember, trying to set fires here. So kept spamming the HE. And besides, I mean, 3,000, 5,000. Can't complain about those numbers. Well, that I can't complain about. That was crap. Completely missed. Although he's only 6 kilometers away. Yep. Say no more. And he's going to die very soon. There is a destroyer up there who launched some torpedoes, but we'll deal with him in a moment. So come on, let's put him out of his misery. 2 hits, 1 more fire.
The ship is on fire.
About 2,000 points. Come on, need the kill, get the kill, get the kill, and yeah, we go. Ooh, he set me on fire. And there's the destroyer. Only 600 hit points. Come on, give me Kraken. And there we go. Got Kraken. So, that was good. Took some damage here towards the end. Still on fire. About 20 seconds before I can reload. Put out the fires. The last guy on the enemy team, carrier, is sitting up there in the top right corner. A10. And he's not going anywhere. And he's going to die long before I get within range. But, yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's take a look at the results. Nearly 230,000 credits. That's good. 2,700, almost 2,800 experience. I'm guessing that's with a daily multiplier or something, but well, still good. 256 hits with guns. That's nice. Shot down 2 planes. Nothing special. Got the 5 kills and Kraken and 19 fires, so that was pretty nice for my Myoku, yeah, whatever, that mission. So, yep, that's an acceptable game. Okay, so looking at the two teams, I came in first with 1800 base experience, so that's a good game. Let's see what else. I'm not sure, well, I'm guessing the Fuso who came in second was the guy in the battleship who was doing well on my side of the map, so kudos to him. He also did well. Got those 2 kills that he more or less ninja'd from me, but well, still, he did well. If not for him, they would have killed me somewhat easily. So happy to play with him. The other team, well, they weren't really that bad. They actually shot down a lot of planes between them. Almost everyone in the team shot down a plane. Sadly, they only sank 4 ships, so that's why they lost. But yeah, they did well until the end when they got overrun, but yeah, what can you do? And finally, the damage done from the HE alone, the shells. Almost 87,000 damage, so that is very nice. And the fires that I set kind of only did 34,000. So, well, I can't complain, but would have done a bit more. I would have liked to have done a bit more. But well, that's still like, what, 120,000 damage. So, that's a good game. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye bye.